Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to start graph theory, and in this video we will study the concept of graph. So what is graph? Graph is actually a representation of an electric circuit. Suppose this is electric circuit, then its representation is called graph. See here in this electrical network, these are nodes A, B, C and D. Okay, and what is nodes? Nodes are the point on graph or circuit where more than two branches meet. So you can see at node A, three branches meet. At node B, three branches meet. At node C, three branches meet. It means A, B, C and D are nodes of this graph, nodes of this electrical circuit. Now graph also include all these nodes of electric circuit, and all branches of electrical circuit are directly connected in graph. So this is graph of this electric circuit. Now what are nodes? Nodes are A, B, C and D. Okay, A, B, C and D. So there are total number of 4 nodes in this graph of this electrical circuit. Now what are the branches? These are the branches of this graph, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this graph has total number of 6 branches. Now what is tree? Tree is the subgraph of this graph. Now the definition of tree is it includes all the nodes of the graph. Here we can see that there are 4 nodes A, B, C and D. This graph also includes all the nodes of this graph. Okay, this subgraph includes all the nodes of this graph A, B, C and this is D. Okay, and it contains no closed loop. Here you can see that there is no closed loop in this subgraph. So such subgraph of a graph is called tree. So two mandatory conditions for a tree are that it includes all the nodes of the graph, and second is it must have no closed loop. So this is the tree of this graph. Now branches of this tree are called twigs. So here you see that this tree includes branch number 1, branch number 2 and branch number 5. So here twigs are 1, 2 and 5. So these twigs are the branches of trees. Now what are links? If we make the subgraph by using complementary set of branches of tree, then it is called co-tree. Okay, or we can say that if we make a graph by using remaining branches of this tree, then it is a co-tree. So in this co-tree, the branches of this co-tree are called links. So these are the links. What are links? 4, this is 4, this is 3 and this is 6. 3, 4 and 6 are the twigs of graph. Now we will derive some important relations for these graphs. First is the total number of branches B is equals to twigs plus links. This is very simple, because if we combine twigs and links, then we get this graph. Now what is twigs? Twig is equals to n minus 1. It means number of nodes minus 1. It is also evident from this graph. You can see that number of twigs here are 3, while the number of nodes are 4. So we can clearly see that twigs are n minus 1, means 3. 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. That's why this is second relations. Number of twigs is equals to number of nodes minus 1, and branches are equals to twigs plus link. Now there are many possible trees for a given graph. Okay, this is one of them. So how we find the number of trees? So total number of trees, total number of trees is equals to n to the power n minus 2 for fully connected graph. Fully connected graph. And total number of trees is equals to determinant of AR transpose for all graph. Now here you see that what is fully connected graph and this what is AR. AR is actually reduced incidence matrix. In my next part of lecture I will explain the reduced incidence matrix. So in case of a fully connected graph, total number of possible trees are n to the power n minus 2. While in case of any graph, if you have to find the number of possible trees for any graph, then formula is determinant of reduced incidence matrix into reduced transpose of reduced incidence matrix and determinant of whole. So it will give the total number of possible trees for all the graph. But if fully connected graph is given, then in that case we can easily find the total number of trees. Now what is the fully connected graph? Fully connected graph means a graph in which each node is directly connected to every other node. Okay, so here in this graph we can see that this node is connected to all the other three nodes, and here this node is connected to these three nodes, and this node is again connected to all these three nodes. It means here you can see that degree of each node is same. Degree means number of BRANs, branches connected to each node. So degree means number of branches connected to each node. Here you can see that number of branches connected to each node is equals to 3. And in fully connected graph, degree of each node is same. Each node is same. Okay, now I tell you one more important relation. What is rank of graph? Okay, so I will write it here. What is rank of graph? Okay, rank means highest degree of node. So highest degree of node is called rank of graph. Now what is rank of graph in this case? In this case highest degree is 3 because all the nodes are connected to 3 branches. So degree of this graph is equals to 3. Okay. Now number of branches in a fully connected graph. See, suppose fully connected graph. This is fully connected graph. Then in that case B is equals to n minus 1 upon 2. So this is all about the concepts of graph, and here I want to derive one more important formula. You know that B is equals to T plus N and twigs is equals to n minus 1. If we put T is equals to n minus 1 in this formula, then we get B is equals to L plus n minus 1. Okay. So this is one more important relation. So you must remember all these things while solving the problems of graph. I hope you understand the concept. Thank you. Jai Shri Ram.
If you got the knowledge and concepts from this video, then please like the video and subscribe the channel. You can give your views and ask any questions related to this topic in comment box. Also share this video with your friends because sharing is caring. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you.